Welcome to today's Philosophy Club. Today's session will be focusing on the concept of walls. It will be split in 3 parts. In part 1 and 2, we'll be discussing the ideas of 3 philosophers, Plato, Cornelius Castoriadis, and Lao Tzu. We'll be taking thinking time to complete an exciting activity. In part 3, we'll be listening to the story Little Mouse on the Red Wall by Brita Teckentrup. We'll be taking time to make our own notes. We'll continue with philosophical questions specific to the story and more general questions on the concept of walls. We'll be finishing our session with a project. We hope you enjoy it. So let us begin with a few examples of philosophical theories behind the story we're going to read. The ancient Greek philosopher Plato wrote about the allegory of the cave. Its basic idea was that the world as we see it is an illusion, only a reflection of the truth, aletheia. Man already knows this truth that underlies all things, but forgot it as soon as he was born into this world. Man fell into forgetfulness, into lethe. On the wall of his cave, man catches only a glimpse of the true world of forms. Forms are blueprints of perfection, universal truths such as beauty, justice, roundness, etc. This world of forms lies beyond the wall. So according to Plato's philosophy, the world as we see it is not real, but a flawed reflection of a world of universal truths. Everything is perfect forms. So which are the philosophical questions that arise from the allegory of the cave? Where does knowledge come from? Is what appears to be what truly is? Can the fish possibly see clearly through the enormous lens of the curved bowl at the world as it is? The world as it is to whom? Is there a God, a creator of cosmos outside the cave in this perfect world of forms and eternal truth? What if we're a sheep in someone's bottle?